In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to hair remove in Photoshop. Go to the Photoshop menu bar window option, then choose Layer and Layer Copy. Make solid color as you like. I chose green light color. And choose background erase tool. Follow the setting. Choose discontinuous. Keep tolerance 20 and 30. For hair remove, we decrease tolerance 20. Choose lasso tool. Go to the select option and choose inverse. And choose erase tool. And remove unnecessary hair. Alter hold refund here. Right click on layer and choose pixel. Go to the select option, then choose modify to feather. Feather use 0.5. Ctrl Shift I inverse and delete. Ctrl D deselect. Then choose pen tool and created paths. Right click, make selection and feather use 0.5. Ctrl Z, layer copy and drag the layer upper. Choose erase tool and remove unnecessary hair. Now we can change any color. And if you wanna make transparent, Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.